Welcome to your Interior Design YouTube channel. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and keeping it organized can make a huge difference in its functionality and appearance. The video explores top creative kitchen organization ideas with a focus on modern cabinet ideas and designs for 2024. From pull-out drawers that maximize storage to smart shelving solutions that save space, these ideas will help you create a sleek, efficient kitchen layout. You will discover stylish ways to organize utensils, spices, and pantry items, keeping everything within easy reach and eliminating clutter with a mix of design and functionality. These cabinet solutions ensure that every inch of your kitchen is utilized efficiently and effectively. For those considering a kitchen makeover, this video is also highlights tips on color coordination, lighting and layout adjustments that transform your kitchen into a modern masterpiece. Whether you have a small space or a large kitchen, these organization tips can be tailored to suit your specific needs, creating a cooking space that's both practical and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.